What's up, ladies and gentlemen, weapons? How y'all doing today? Thesilentweapon here. Just bringing a quick unboxing. Sorry, should have not just smacked that like I did. But bringing a quick unboxing of the Govee RGBWW, so I guess double white. So we're just going to open this up, and then we're going to plug it in. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm just going to do basically an overall unboxing slash review. If I can get it out of the box. Hold on just a second. But how y'all been? I know I posted some videos of my Warhammer minis that I've been painting and putting together and stuff like that. Definitely wanted to see those. So I wanted to share those. What's in the box is the user manual, obviously, in different languages, online and stuff. So actually what we're going to do is go plug one in. I believe it's going to be as simple as all the rest of them. So it comes in like a little package. Just wanted to share these with you because if they look good, they're really good cost. So they were like only $18 at Walmart. I bought them at Walmart. Well, like $20 after tax, but yeah. So English. Let's see. Avoid storing the bulb. Lots of information. So it does not even tell you how to do it. It may say on the back. Let's see. I'll look. Alright, so I probably just got to do it in the app. So the Govee Home app is what you need to download to be able to set this up. I will show you what the app looks like. So it's going to look like this right here. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Let me go back in. App Store. So this is the Govee Home app. Come on. White balance is too high. But anyways, go to either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Govee Home, Govee Home app. It's under Utilities, and then whenever you open it up, let's see what happens with that. I'll look at that, and then obviously you're going to want to sign in. It's going to ask you to sign in. Allow. You're going to want to allow the Bluetooth devices to connect at your house. Manage devices remotely. You can change the colors on the fly, and so on and so forth. So, and then you're going to want to accept the user agreement, and then in the top, it might be your left on the screen, but on the top right hand corner for me up here, there's a little plus button. You're going to want to follow that, so you'll hit the plus button. Let me go plug this in, see what's happening, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right, hold on. Alright, so that setup, I just want to say, was one of the easiest light bulbs I've ever set up in my life for RGB slash just LED online light bulb. Wireless, so you go into the Govee app. First off, you're going to have to, like I said, you're going to have to set up an account and go into the Govee app. And then all you got to do, plug in the light bulb. Add the light bulb. Make sure, let me see where it is. So mine was make sure you pick the right light bulb, and it will be on the box. So it was on the back of the box. It was like 6004 or something for the one from Walmart. RGBWW Wi-Fi 6004 light bulb, A6004 or something like that. Make sure you pick that right one, and it'll be an easy process. I don't know what I did with the box, but I can show you here in just a second. But once you get into that, you can set up scenes, you can do illumination, so like brightness, you can set it to music, you can do all kinds of different stuff. So definitely check out the Govee light bulbs. I'm probably going to get a strip at some point in time too, but as of right now I've just got 2 Govee light bulbs. They do come in a 2-pack for, like I said, $18 after taxes, like $20. So definitely go check those out at Walmart. Or on Amazon. They're on Amazon as well, I know that for a fact. The RGBWW LED Wi-Fi light bulbs. I will show you a little review of what it looks like. I'll change colors and do stuff like that here in just a second. So you'll catch in a different scene with the light bulb plugged in. Alright, so here is the Govee light bulb, and this is what the app looks like. I don't know if you can really tell. It's kind of zoomed in on that. But anyways, you can change brightness and dim it all the way down. I think to 1%, so that's very dim lighting, all the way back up to 100% there. And then you can also, like I said, change the color of the lighting, so it can be red. These are just basic stationary sets, orange, yellow, green, and you can change the saturation of things too, or the temperature of things. So let's see, more green there. So that's just okay. The different colors, and then you've got blue, dark blue, and then you've got a cyan, light baby blue, a purple, and then obviously white, and then you have also a color wheel that you can just stick your finger on there and scroll through to see what specific color of pink. And then to test the music, so Govee Home would like to access the microphone, and then it like picks up my songs or my music, my voice. I mean, not my songs, but like, and it's a dance thing too. So you gotta probably have the app open to do that at any point in time. There's also sensitivity to it, so it like kind of jumps with the music. Illumination, not sure what that does. Let's see. For reading, there's a scene, flower field. It says, so there's dusk, sunset glow, starry sky, forest, which obviously is probably green, yeah, and then a river. So it just kind of probably flows with the river colors, and then you've also got fire color, which might change or flicker, which is pretty cool. And then aurora. There's all kinds of different stuff in this app just for these bulbs alone. And then share space. There's different stuff in the actual app, and sorry I'm not actually showing you on the app. It's just not going to pick up very well with the with my phone because the exposure is different. But again, one of the easiest bulbs to set up. Make sure, and then I also set it up with Google. So, hey Google, turn off living room lights. Hey Google.
5 lights off.
Hey Google, turn on the living room lights. Set them to red. Let's see if this works. Maybe. And I do apologize if I made your home speaker system activate just then. Like I said, these are pretty cool bulbs. You can set them up with the Google Home app. In the Google Home app, it's taking a little while for that to load up, probably because I said red. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, turn on the living room lights. Okay, so that does it a lot better.
3 out of 5 lights on.
Okay, so yeah, again, like I said, I'll just change it to red. Hey Google, turn the Govee light bulb to white. Let's see if it'll do that. I'm just curious about what all, and it might be because I have an older Google Home system, but yeah, it looks like it's taking a while and struggling. But I might have to do that through the actual Govee app. But that's okay. Hey Google, stop. But yeah, again, set it up in the Govee app first. Set up in a Govee account, the Govee Home app. You set up the Govee Home account, and then make sure you click the right light bulb. So on this one, like I said, it's going to be on the back. It says right here, RGBWW, and then it's right there underneath it for the bulb type that it is. So it says model, it'll say model number, and then you'll make sure you want to click that on the Govee app when setting up a light bulb. You will have to scroll a little while for the light bulbs because there's indoor, outdoor, but these are indoor bulbs. Pretty cool little light bulbs for, like I said, $20 Walmart. So go check them out. Y'all have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out, ladies and gentleweapons. Y'all be good.